Hey guys, I'm Bowie, and this is Second Income Solutions, your solution to second income. I'm making this video to show you how I promote and make money with Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program. Now, I'm not going to say I've made thousands of dollars with Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program. My point is that it works, as long as you are consistent. Now, if you're new to the channel or don't know me, welcome. My name is Bowie again, and I've been doing affiliate marketing for a couple of years. I just joined Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program, so I'm still fairly new. But for me, I wanted to start this channel in the first place to help you if you're thinking about starting a second income business or need a second income, to help you supplement you. If you want to be more successful, if you want to be successful with Legendary Marketer Program, I want to tell you about some of the things that you need to have in place and some of the strategies that you need to use. I just said that I joined Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program, and it was a simple reason why. People on YouTube are talking about making lots of money with Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program. So I just wanted to check it out for myself. I wanted to see if it was a good product for me. Can I, as a newbie affiliate marketer, still make money, or is it too late? And if it's too late, what strategies do I need to use to give myself the best chance of success? I found and searched those affiliate marketers who are making the most money with Legendary Marketer. I dove in, I figured out their system, and I seen how it worked. I duplicated their system. I saw where they got their traffic. I saw where they sent their traffic and what emails they sent. I put all that information into my second income system, and guess what? It works. I made money with a Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program. And since I'm just starting out, I like to share my tips, tricks, and techniques on how to be successful with Legendary Marketer. The best thing that you can do is subscribe to the channel for more second income solutions, and make sure you hit the bell notification. That way you'll know when I release something new, another video to help you make more money with Legendary Marketer Program. In this video, I just want to give you my honest opinion of the Legendary Marketer Program. I think that Legendary Marketer Program is one of the best affiliate marketer programs for beginners, and I want to tell you why. So first of all, it's one of the best affiliate marketing programs for beginners because you get to start out quickly and you don't have to do very much. To start this business, all you need is a simple bridge page, and I'll explain that to you later, and some affiliate links. In future videos on this channel, you'll be able to see how this is done. Now I want to get back to the point of this video, which is to give you my honest opinion of Legendary Marketer Program. Now let's start with the things that people don't like about Legendary Marketer. A lot of people think that Legendary Marketer looks like a MLM, multi-level marketing. I can tell you this is not the case, but I can also tell you it doesn't really matter. If you can make money with Legendary Marketer Program, and if you can use this Legendary Marketer Program to help other people make money, I don't see what the problem is. This isn't a situation where only the people at the top make money. That's not how it's done here. The goal of Legendary Marketer is to help people make money by helping others make money. And it's really that easy. It's really that simple, because Legendary Marketer is not a worthless product. It's a product that teaches you how to do affiliate marketing better. Have you noticed since COVID that more businesses are going online, and every business is becoming an online business? Right now, I can't think of a better set of skills to have than internet marketing skills. This goes right back to the beginning, what I was saying to start in the video, where I said if you want to be successful affiliate marketer, you have to choose a good affiliate product. Affiliate marketing is based on 4 things. Because there are only 4 things that make up marketing and its core. You have to get the right information to the right people at the right time and the right product. And so if you don't have a great product, you won't have all 4 of the pillars of marketing, and your whole system will fall apart even before it's. The Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program is a great product for a couple of reasons, especially for affiliate marketing for beginners. The sales team is the most important thing when you join a Legendary Marketer. You don't just learn from a marketer with 8 figures. No, I'm talking about Dave Sharp. Dave knows you need a good sales team to sell high-price back-end offers. In a moment, I'll say more about that. But Dave has an amazing system called Legendary Marketer. This is made to help people like me and like you who are new to marketing and don't know everything to know about it. You can make some real money and actually get some success. He starts out with a front-end process like video sales letters and follow-up emails, which not only educates, but it also helps you build trust and a good relationship with customers. This will help them become great marketers. So these are some of the sales system and processes that Legendary Marketer use. They are what will help you make more money in the long run. You see, all you have to do is send traffic to Legendary Marketer. They have a low-cost tripwire that gets people into the system. Then Legendary Marketer sales team comes in and offers more value, but you as the affiliate marketer who brought that customer into the system will know that when they buy high-ticket products in the future, you'll get a high-ticket commission because you brought that customer prospect in. The second reason why Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program is good for people who are just starting out in affiliate marketing is that it lets you make money without having to do extra selling. It also has a high-ticket back-end product because if you only promote low-ticket offers, it'll be hard for you to reach your goal. So if you ever want to leave your 9-to-5 job or get to the point where you want a couple of $1,000s a week coming in, you need to have someone who has a high-ticket back-end product. Now, the problem with high-ticket affiliate marketing is, as an affiliate marketer beginner, you probably don't have the skills to sell expensive products. I know I didn't. That means it would be hard for you to convince someone to buy something for $2,500+ over the internet. But that's where Dave comes in, him and his team at Legendary Marketer, and you can use them to your advantage. When you get people to sign up to Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program, Dave's team will keep in touch with them, set up calls with them. Then as experts with a proven 8-figure track record, they will come in and sell those high price offers. Yet you, as the affiliate marketer, you will get the high ticket commission just for sending someone to the Legendary Marketer Affiliate. For these two reasons alone, the Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program is great for affiliate marketers beginners because it gives people who are just starting out a real chance to get going quickly and make big commissions on high ticket items without having to learn how to sell. So as you can see, if you want to start making money with Legendary Marketer, the best thing to do is actually join Legendary Marketer System. Learn the Legendary Marketer System and start learning how to become a better affiliate from day one. Then start sharing what you've learned with other people who want what you want. Lastly, my friends, as a bonus, I want you to think about what would happen when you earn your first commission with Legendary Marketer. How are you going to feel? Let's talk about your first big commission. Imagine coming to work one day and opening your email to see a message, "Hey, you just made a commission." Now that would be a great feeling of its own. Everyone loves getting a commission for their efforts in their email. But what happens after that is more incredible and powerful, and you can use that to your advantage and success in the future. So let me break it down for you, so you can see why the Legendary Marketer System is so important. I'm going to assume that you don't know anything about this yet, because you're still here. Well, if you've never made a dime online, you have a lot in common with millions of other people who've never made a dime online, but want to. And as soon as you earn your first commission, you will be able to take that legendary marketing system and put it to use easily. Guys, if you start doing what Dave tells you to do and start getting results, you will become your own social proof. So can they, meaning that if you can do it, so can they. This comparison that will help you achieve greater success with your Legendary Marketer affiliate program. Guys, I hope this all makes sense to you. If you want to learn more tips, tricks, and techniques for promoting Legendary Marketing System, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Check out the links in the description. You'll find more resources such as the 15-day online business builder. I thank you so much for watching. I hope and pray that you do well with promoting Legendary Marketing System. I hope to see you soon. Be blessed.